chance. For a time, though you share the same bed, there are only two ends to this dance. You can flee with your wounds just in time. Lie there as he feeds, watching yourself ripped to shreds, laughing as you bleed. So for those of you falling in love, keep it kind, keep it good, keep it right. Throw yourself in the midst of danger, but keep one eye